Alright guys, so welcome back to another video of today. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can, possibly improvise over some high life chord progressions. Like maybe if you come across some high life progressions over the 1, 4, 5 chord progression, or possibly there are some high life chord progression that you might see that have chord progressions like 1, 6, 4, 5. That's do, la, va, so. Okay. So to make it interesting, to make it sound nice, all you're gonna do is just find some licks, okay, some riffs, some improvisation that's gonna sound better over it, okay. Then apply it. It's gonna sound cool, sounds awesome, okay. Stuff like this. Okay, let's just play the progression so that we can, play over the licks, okay. Now you can improvise with 1, 6, 4. Okay, so now let's see how it's going to sound with some licks, some riffs, okay. Alright, let's listen to how it's going to sound. Okay. Okay, just like that, very simple, very simple. So all you have to do is just, figure it out from different space, okay, from different space. So here is it. It's very simple. So what I played there was a song. Okay, I'm actually doing that in the key of F, okay, like I said earlier. So, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, so, okay, so make sure you practice your major scale very well. So I started with the notes. So, now, instead of playing do, I play D, re, okay? So, mi, fa, re, mi, di, re, va, re, mi, do, re, ti, do, okay? Va, re, mi, do, re, ti, do. Then I play stuff like this. Hold my va to the saw. Very simple. Do, va, mi, do, la, do, re, mi, va. Okay, once you hold the va, you just hold with the chord. Then go to the saw, add the va here to that saw. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Then the third one I played was okay. So I started with the double strings, using my double string. So for many of you that don't know how to use your double string, make sure you practice that. Make sure you learn how to use your double string very well, okay? Do, ti, la, sol, la, do. Okay? If you can still hold your saw chord like this before they do, saw in the open note before they do, or you can add the seventh note there to do, okay, give you the same thing. You can still play your T here. You can still play your T here if possible, okay? That's it. So another lick there I would like to show you is stuff like this. It's still the same. You can apply the chord progression, okay? Mi, fa, sol, ti, do, re, sol, la, do, la, sol, re, mi, fa. Okay? Mi, fa, sol, ti, do, re, sol, la, do, la, sol, la, do, la, sol, re, mi, fa. Okay, so that's it. Make sure you practice that. Make sure you practice wherever you don't understand. Let me know in the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. Okay? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and bye.